Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. MissBT here, coming to you guys today with a clean with me. Cheers to the holidays. Was anyone else asked to take down their Christmas tree this year? Bummer. But I wanted to show you guys how we put everything up. So let's get started. As you can see, I like to keep all of the boxes, so I basically put everything in one room, all of our Christmas decorations, indoor and out, so that I can start putting everything up. And I put everything back in the original boxes that it came from, at least until we get a more sophisticated storage system for our Christmas decorations. Bear and I are actively collecting Christmas decor year over year, and so this is actually the first year that we bought this much stuff. So, outside of ornaments, so I'm really excited about that. But now comes the storage piece. Yeah, so I struggled a little bit getting that back into the box. I have no idea how I got 6 candy canes out of this little tiny box, but let's just say they didn't go back in like they came out. So these outdoor inflatable Christmas decorations actually rolled back up pretty easily and went right back in the box just like we purchased them. So we actually got these from At Home, and it was our first time trying out inflatable outdoor decorations, and they were great. $12, y'all. $12. So as you can see, I recycle pretty much everything. So I'm just reusing a lot of the paper. I mean, you guys know when you get Christmas gifts, you have so much tissue paper. So I just basically reused it all and started to wrap up some of our more intricate ornaments so that they store away properly and we don't have any issues when we open everything back up, and hopefully nothing is broken next year. So you can just see me here just kind of dismantling the tree, want to take everything off, entertaining my little helpers. And we actually got our ornaments from At Home this year as well, and they always have like large sets, as you can see, like they have different sets of them with different color schemes, which makes it super easy to decorate during Christmas, and they were also only like $12. So now we only have 3 dedicated bins to Christmas decor, so as you can see, I'm trying to make everything fit. So I am just using the larger bin to store the ornaments, the miscellaneous items, some extra tissue paper, and the outdoor stuff. And then we have bags and some other Christmas decor in the others. But of course I had to solicit some help to get this tree down, so who better than my handy dandy bear? So going ahead and I'm going to do a light sweep. It was a lot of, just glitter. Oh my gosh, y'all, there was tons of glitter in this room. So because of that, I needed to vacuum the couch as well. I typically vacuum the couches with, what is it called? Baking soda. But this time I just really wanted to get all the glitter off, so I went ahead and just did a light vacuum on everything. And using a vacuum attachment makes it super easy to get into the creases and to get onto all of your pillows. We also have dogs, and while they don't shed like crazy, pet dander is something you cannot avoid. So it's always good to do this no matter the season. Alright, so now that the Christmas tree is gone, we're going to go ahead and put our bar cart back over there in the corner. Do not judge us, y'all. I know our bar cart is stacked. I promise we're social drinkers. But of course, with the help of my little Bailey bear there, put my rug down, coffee table back. Yes, that was my workout for the day. And we are back to normal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up that coffee table. I have a couple miscellaneous things over there, and then I'm all set. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick clean with me video. I have a ton more content coming your way from house to home, and I hope you guys will join the journey with me. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!